Good evening guys, welcome back to my channel once again. Hope everyone is doing good. So market has opened gap down today and that was due to the quant mutual fund front running case. Anyhow our market has recovered later and market has reacted the way the data was presented. So let's begin the open interest analysis now. So we'll follow by FII in future index. In long, they were holding 57% long and 43% short. So today they increased the long, reduced the short by 2%, 59% long, 41% short. And in option index, they were having 1.93 lakhs of call buying contract. Today they have increased call buying by 60,000 contract. So they have 2.54 lakhs of call buying. In put, they were holding 1.73 lakhs of put buying. Today, they have increased their put buying by 58,000 contracts, so they have 2.31 lakhs of put buying. So, see, they have carrying a hedging position in options, call versus put, whereas slight positive there are in future index. So, today we have seen they have sold for 654 crores in the cash market. Client are the retailers in future index they were having 46% long, 54% short. Today they have reduced 1% long, increased 1% short. So they have 45% long, 55% short. Option index in call they were holding 2.64 lakhs of call writing positions. Today they have added more call writing positions, 1.68 lakh contract. So they have 4.33 lakhs of call writing positions. In put they were having 4.75 lakhs of put writing contracts. Now they have unwinded in profit 1.86 lakhs of put writing contracts, still holding 2.89 lakhs of put writing. So client started booking the profit and there are more working on option writing now. And in cash market, they have sold for 591 crores. Proprietor in future index, they were having 58% long, 42% short. Today, they have reduced 1% long, increased 1% short. So they have 57% long, 43% short. And in option index, they were having 68,000 contract of call buying. Today they have added more call buying of 1.08 lakhs contract. So they have 1.76 lakhs of call buying contract. Input they were having 1.14 lakhs of put buying. Today they have unwinded this and made a fresh put writing of 1.70 lakh contract. So see here they become super positive in options as well. There are slight positive in future index and they purchase in cash market also 554 crores in the cash market. So see now FII is positive in futures, they hedge in options and proprietor is super positive whereas client there are on a profit booking mode. Now let's check the change in OI Nifty for this week expiry. This week is a month end expiry as well. So we have seen a good number of put writing added today and call writing unwinding at 23,600. Put writing added at 23,400 to 23,550. So bull take the charges now. Now let's check for Bank Nifty. Also we have seen very good number of put writing added and call writing unwinding at 51,200. So the range will be from 51,500 to 52,000 for Bank Nifty. Now let's check the technical analysis. Nifty in 1 day time frame, we have seen a very good recovery from its support levels. So it's still quite possible we can also see a green candle tomorrow as per the technical analysis and also the data is positive. Now let's check for Bank Nifty 1 day time frame. Here also we have seen a very good recovery from a lower levels and tomorrow we can see a green candle. As per the technical analysis, this is quite possible to form such candles. So we will not short the market. We can be thinking of going long with strict stop loss. So that's it for today guys. Hope you like my analysis. So please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.